Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting.
The hottest spot on the planet is in Libya. Designer creates wearable third eye to help you walk safely while you use your smartphone. Your nostrils work one at a time. Snakes can see with their eyes closed. Over 90% of mental diseases are either caused or complicated by the stressful act of overthinking. Painkillers mute notifications for your body. Farting can actually help reduce high blood pressure and is beneficial to your health. Sharks kill an average of 12 people per year. Human kills 11,417 sharks per hour. Crocodiles swallow rocks to help them dive deeper. A woodpecker can peck 20 times a second. Only 4% of women around the world consider themselves beautiful. Up to 90% of United States currency is contaminated with cocaine. A statue of Yasuke, an African slave who arrived in Japan in 1579 and became the first black samurai. Gigantopithecus is the biggest primate that ever walked on Earth. At what age did you learn that H-shaped logo of Hyundai actually represents a handshake? Owls can't move their eyeballs. Hummingbirds can't walk. In the 1960s, running for exercise was so unusual that some people were stopped by the police in the US. Being able to instantly respond with sarcasm to silly questions is a sign of a healthy brain. When you are ignored by someone who means the most to you, the reaction in your brain is similar to physical pain. Mother's Day is typically the busiest day of the year in the restaurant industry. Sunsets can some days be green. – 7:26 p.m. This is the only time of weeks a person may be happy. Kids ask 300 questions a day. Every day, humans collectively spend 1.2 million years on social media. A thigh in human being is much stronger than concrete. India is the whole only country that does not have an ocean. Ronaldinho's commercial deal with Coca-Cola was terminated after he was caught drinking Pepsi at a press conference. You don't like the original version of a song because it's better. In the 1950s, cigarettes were marketed as being good for you. In a German legend from the Middle Ages, it was proposed that kissing a donkey would take away the pain of a toothache. A barber in Tamil Nadu has a library and gives customers 30% off if they read a book in his unique salon. When a male honeybee climaxes during sex, his testicles explode and he dies. Vampire moths feed on the blood of mammals including humans. At least 7 taxi drivers in northeast Japan have reported picking up the ghost of a person who died in the 2011 earthquake and tsunami. The amino acid found in eggs can help improve your reflexes. Happy Pizza is a pizza sold in Cambodia topped with margiana. In 2013, a woman claimed she got pregnant by eating a McDonald's. Studies show that Wednesday is the best day of the week to go out on a first date. Scientists have discovered the world's first known case of identical dog twins. At any moment, clouds cover about 60% of Earth. Giraffe tongue can be 20 inches long. The most expensive phone number cost millions. Albert Einstein turned down the presidency of Israel. The brain is the fattiest organ in the body, being composed of nearly 60% fat. Mr. Potato Head was the first toy to be advertised on TV. Thanks for watching.